Okay, so we are at Plaza Jose San Martin. So it's like their main plaza. We hadn't been here yet, and this is our last day, so we figured we better get over here. Took like a 35-minute Uber ride. I took a nap on the way.
Look at these pickles, like, sitting back. They're super comfy.
Yeah, this is huge. If the kids were here, they'd be running through them. Oh. Yeah, we didn't have any plan or anything, you know, no agenda to come down here. It's just to get here and put eyes on it and see it, walk around, explore the area a little bit. That's about it. I still want to go eat lunch at Atoque Pez.
Yeah.
Which opened at 11. We found it.
Not going to be hungry till like 1.
I know. I'm not really hungry right now, but I will force myself to eat today. I don't care. If I have to eat that and then get ceviche one more time, I will force myself. It will not be a good day. Well, it would be a good day because I get to eat all that good food. It's like some tour groups that are going on.
Pretty.
Yeah. Let's see what else there is around here.
Yeah. Old Main Street, what's happening?
Yeah.
What's happening is too.
We saw some markets on the way, and yeah, that one Mercado number 1 we wanted to go to. It looked like the main doors were closed, but it was set up outside. So that was kind of neat. All right, well, this is San Martin Square. This is not Lima's main square. I just got on Google Maps to see what was around here and noticed that the other square, the main one, the much bigger one, is about a 12-minute walk or a 13-minute drive from here. So we're going to do the 12-minute walk instead of the 13-minute drive, get our steps in.
El año pasado con el secretario personal que la España que ya tienen
All right, so it's just a walking street all the way down there. Looks like. Where'd you go?
We have to try the city center churros.
Oh, we have to try the city center churros?
Remember he said they were like stuffed or something?
Oh, okay.
The ones that we had, he said were Spanish churros.
Gotcha. What's nice of the walk is just a walking street like this. Hang on. That's pretty cool.
On his left leg.
Yeah, we gave him some soles. That was neat. Yeah, that was neat.
Buenos días. Ceviche, sudado, trigo marinos.
Pretty cool. This is the guinea pig. We ate one the other day on a food tour.
Claro, lo que yo sí, que eso tiene la cabeza.
Dime, Lucero.
Norkeys.
I might.
It's a church. Wow. Huh. It's pretty cool.
There's a lot of tourists here.
Yeah.
哎，等一下，他们还有人没出来的。
Here's what it looks like down here.
Oh, another Norkeys. So we've seen 2 KFCs and 2 of these Norkeys just on this road. This walking street. Okay.
Lima was the number one, so we're having people speaking like German after Second World War.
I wish.
Caballero, ¿de qué país, amigo? ¿Qué país no visita?
So I read that if they have protests and stuff, it happens down here. See all these security trucks and motorcycles, all those police officers over there.
Porque esta vez sí va a ser red.
Oh, there's a little sign there that says Peru. Like I said, we couldn't just come visit Peru without coming down here. We've stayed most of the time in Miraflores. We're going to Barranco, Sotillo, Magdalena. We haven't been down here yet.
No puedes caminar.
Tenemos ricos almuerzos criollos, caldito de gallina, pancita rellena.
What is this?
No,
This is Basilica Cathedral de Lima. This is a big church. Some huge doors. That over there is the governor's palace. Or the government palace, I don't know. There's a band playing over there. That's pretty cool. You go see that? Go see the band?
Yeah.
Look at this. Yeah, it's as close as you can get. It's not like Buckingham Palace where you get right up to the gate or the fence.
They're gonna come this way, Meghan.
But yeah, there's kind of police everywhere. So I feel safe. There's some down there that had like shields and everything, some with helmets. We're ready to go. It's a Pisco Museum. The House of Peruvian Literature. Oh, Chocolate Museum? Chocolate Museum. I think we bought all our souvenirs. Oh my God. Anyway, this is the side of the palace. Yeah, this place is huge.